MBA Crash Course on Business Process Optimization and Lean Six Sigma. Section 1. MBA Crash Course on Business Process Optimization and Lean Six Sigma. Introduction. Welcome to the MBA Crash Course on Business Process Optimization and Lean Six Sigma. In this course, we will explore the principles and techniques that organizations use to streamline their operations, eliminate waste, and improve efficiency. We will also delve into the world of Lean Six Sigma, a powerful methodology for process improvement and problem solving. Business Process Optimization. Business process optimization focuses on identifying inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and redundancies in organizational processes and implementing strategies to enhance performance. By optimizing processes, companies can reduce costs, improve customer satisfaction, and gain a competitive advantage. Interesting story. Toyota's production system. One of the most compelling examples of successful business process optimization is Toyota's production system. Toyota revolutionized the manufacturing industry with its emphasis on lean principles, just-in-time production, and continuous improvement. By optimizing their production processes, Toyota achieved remarkable efficiency, reduced waste, and enhanced quality, leading to their global success. Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma combines the methodologies of Lean and Six Sigma to achieve operational excellence. Lean focuses on eliminating waste and non-value-added activities, while Six Sigma aims to reduce process variation and defects. Together, they provide a comprehensive approach to process improvement and quality management. Interesting story. General Electric's Lean Six Sigma implementation. General Electric, GE, is renowned for its successful implementation of Lean Six Sigma across its business units. Under the leadership of former CEO Jack Welch, GE embraced the methodology to improve its operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. This initiative resulted in significant cost savings, improved product quality, and enhanced competitiveness for the company. Section 2. Top 12 Business Process Optimization Techniques. Value Stream Mapping. A visual tool used to analyze and streamline the flow of materials and information in a process. Identifies areas of waste and opportunities for improvement. Process standardization. Establishing standardized procedures and best practices for consistent and efficient execution. Reduces variation, errors, and rework. Business process re-engineering. A radical approach to process improvement that involves rethinking and redesigning workflows from scratch. Focuses on fundamental changes to achieve dramatic improvements. Workflow automation. Leveraging technology to automate manual tasks and streamline workflows. Improves efficiency, reduces errors, and frees up resources. Kaizen. A continuous improvement approach that encourages small, incremental changes. Involves all employees in identifying and implementing improvements. Just-in-time, JIT production. Producing and delivering goods or services exactly when needed, minimizing inventory and waste. Improves efficiency, reduces lead times, and enhances customer satisfaction. Poka-yoke. Introducing error-proofing mechanisms to prevent mistakes or defects. Reduces errors, rework, and customer complaints. Total Quality Management, TQM. A holistic approach to quality management that involves all employees and departments. Focuses on continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, and employee involvement. Lean Office. Applying lean principles to administrative and support processes. Streamlines paperwork, reduces lead times, and improves productivity. Kanban system. Visual management tool that uses cards or signals to control the flow of work. Enhances efficiency, reduces inventory, and improves responsiveness. Theory of constraints, TOC. Identifying and resolving bottlenecks or constraints in a process to improve overall flow. Maximizes throughput and improves system performance. Quality Function Deployment, QFD. A systematic approach to translating customer needs into specific product or service requirements. Ensures that processes are aligned with customer expectations and leads to improved customer satisfaction. These 12 techniques represent a range of approaches to business process optimization. Each technique can be applied depending on the specific needs and challenges of an organization. By implementing these techniques, companies can streamline their operations, reduce waste, enhance quality, and ultimately improve their overall performance. Section 3. Summary. The MBA Crash Course on Business Process Optimization and Lean Six Sigma has provided a comprehensive overview of the principles, techniques, and examples related to optimizing business processes. We explored the concept of business process optimization and its significance in improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. We also delved into the world of Lean Six Sigma, a powerful methodology for process improvement and problem-solving. Furthermore, we discussed 12 key techniques used in business process optimization, ranging from value stream mapping and process standardization to lean office and total quality management. Each technique offers a unique approach to identifying and eliminating waste, improving efficiency, and driving continuous improvement. In conclusion, business process optimization and Lean Six Sigma provide organizations with effective tools and methodologies to enhance their operations and drive sustainable success. By analyzing and optimizing their processes, companies can achieve operational excellence, reduce costs, deliver high-quality products and services, and gain a competitive advantage in the market. Now, let us express the essence of business process optimization and Lean Six Sigma through the art of poetry and music. Poem. Efficiencies Symphony. In the realm of business, where processes reside, optimization dances with inefficiencies to collide. Value streams mapped, bottlenecks revealed. Business processes refined and wounds healed. Standardization, the conductor in command. Aligning procedures, bringing order to land. Re-engineering's daring, a revolution of thought. Fundamental changes, results dearly sought. Automation's melody, technology's sweet sound. Tasks streamlined, efficiency found. Kaizen's gentle touch, small steps of improvement. Every worker involved, innovation's deployment. JIT production, a harmonious ballet. Goods and services delivered without delay. Poka-yoke's vigilance, errors it thwarts. Mistakes prevented, perfection it courts. TQM's chorus, quality embraced. From top to bottom, excellence traced. Lean office's rhythm, paperwork's sway. Efficiency reigns, delays held at bay. Kanban's symphony, visual cues guide. Workflows orchestrated, a seamless ride. Talks crescendo, bottlenecks untied. Flow optimized, performance amplified. Cued's chorus, customer's voice resounds. Needs transformed, satisfaction abounds. In the symphony of efficiency, businesses thrive. Processes optimized, success will arrive. Song. The Song of Optimization. Verse 1. In the realm of business, where processes roam. Optimization whispers, welcome to your new home. Value streams mapped, inefficiencies revealed. Lean principles embraced, true potential unsealed. Chorus. Oh, sing the song of optimization. Process efficiency, our destination. From standardization to automation's embrace. We'll streamline, improve, and set the pace. Verse 2. Kaizen's gentle touch, continuous change. Small steps forward, a mindset rearrange. JIT production, just-in-time sweet flow. Waste eliminated, efficiency on the go. Bridge. Poka-yoke's protection, errors prevented. TQM's commitment, quality reinvented. Lean office's rhythm, paperwork symphony. Kanban's signals, visual harmony. Chorus. Oh, sing the song of optimization. Process efficiency, our destination. Talks liberation, constraints released. Cued's translation, customer needs increased. Outro. In the symphony of business, efficiencies our aim. Optimization's melody, success we proclaim. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.